Strange moaning sounds around the world are skyquakes, warnings from Earth's destabilizing core. What is happening is the liquid iron core of the Earth is spinning at a different rate than the planet's rotation, and the slippage is causing a measurable migration of the Earth's magnetic field. The skyquakes are caused by harmonics deep inside the Earth traveling from the mutating core through the layers of the planet to the surface. The sky acts as a sounding board, capturing and magnifying the sonic and electrical frequencies shot from the center of the world. The stress is building up in the core deep in the heart of the world, also migrate outwards to the mantle and eventually the crust. Slipping strata within the bowels of the planet create incredible pressure. Pressure is so great that temperatures soar and dense metals flow like liquids. Water becomes a superheated plasma and interacts with layers of quartz crystals, emitting harmonics audible as a hum and also generating earth lights and skyquakes echoing across the sky. The vibrations affect the crystals, and can set in motion massive earth changes, culminating with continental upheavals, massive landslides, coastal areas collapsing, and ocean beds becoming mountain ranges. Adding to the stress and fury are subterranean superstorms threatening to break out to the surface, bringing with them death and destruction on an apocalyptic scale. Those phenomena are exactly what is sometimes experienced shortly before megathrust earthquakes. Dazzling earth lights were seen in the sky before the Fukushima quake in Japan, and reports as far back as the 1906 San Francisco earthquake recorded skyquakes preceding the destruction of the Northern California city. The global skyquakes might be an early warning of the major shift occurring deep beneath our feet, titanic unstoppable forces that are paving the way towards planet-wide cataclysms, eclipsing those catastrophes described in the Byzantine legends of lost Atlantis.
Your heart you got to follow. Now, not tomorrow. No common wicked to the limelight. I'm addicted to